Is your Lexus RX 350's alarm constantly going off? The two most common culprits are the liftgate switch and the interior motion sensor. The liftgate switch, located on the rear door, can fail due to wear, debris, or wiring shorts, falsely signaling an open gate. The interior sensor, typically in the overhead console, might be overly sensitive due to dust, pets, or electromagnetic interference. To pinpoint the problem, start by checking for diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, using an OBD2 scanner. A code like C11260 often indicates a liftgate switch malfunction. Knowing the source will guide your fix. First, try a simple system reset by disconnecting the vehicle's battery for 5 to 10 minutes. This clears error codes and can resolve temporary glitches. If the liftgate switch is the issue, inspect the wiring for corrosion, especially in coastal areas. Replacing the switch with part number 848700E03 costs $50 to $200 for an OEM part. For the interior sensor, clean it and ensure no objects are causing false triggers. Recalibration may be needed if problems persist. Note that some 2022 and newer models have received over-the-air software updates to address false alarms. If all else fails, consider professional diagnostics from a certified Lexus technician.